A school success is not just about events, but also about achievements.
And who better to take us through our journey than our beloved correspondent ma'am?
She will now present the annual report highlighting the milestones and progress of our school.
Let's welcome her with a big round of applause.
First, I'd like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to Mr. J. Meghanath Reddy IAS sir, for graciously accepting our invitation despite his busy schedule. We are deeply honored by his presence and feel blessed to have had the opportunity to host him. His visit has been a source of great inspiration for both our staff and students. It is with immense joy and pride that we are gathered here today to celebrate Icon Global School's second annual day under the theme La Florencia, symbolizing the flourishing growth and development of our school community. While officially this marks our second annual day, we are celebrating our third annual day unofficially as our journey began with just 8 students and has now blossomed into a vibrant school community of 250 students plus. This remarkable journey would not have been possible without the unwearying support and trust of our parents, and for that we are deeply grateful. Your belief in our mission has played an instrumental role in our progress, and we promise to continue working hard to ensure your child receives the best educational experience. As we look to the future, we are thrilled to share some exciting new initiatives and partnerships that will further enrich the educational experience for our students. Collaboration with Robotics. In the coming academic year, we are excited to announce a new partnership with Robotics, a leading provider of robotics education. This collaboration will offer our students the opportunity to engage hands-on learning through robotics. The students will take part in inter-school competitions, gaining valuable exposure and practical experience. Moreover, at the end of the academic year, Robotics will organize an expo where each student will showcase a robot they have built over the course of 10 months, one robot each month. This project-based learning will encourage problem solving, creativity, and teamwork, skills that are crucial in today's rapidly evolving world. Genie, virtual learning experience. We are also excited to introduce Genie, a tool that brings an innovative, virtual, and highly interactive learning experience to our school. With Genie, we can bring subjects to life in a way that's never been possible before. For instance, if you are teaching about dinosaurs, Genie allows us to bring a virtual dinosaur right into the classroom, allowing students to explore and interact with these ancient creatures in the middle of their learning space. This virtual experience not only makes learning more fun, but also deepens a student's understanding of the topic. By incorporating Genie into our curriculum, we aim to make education more engaging, practical, and meaningful. Drama Club with Alchemy. We are also excited to announce our collaboration with Alchemy, a renowned drama training institution in Chennai. Starting this year, Alchemy will be managing our drama club, which will meet weekly. The drama club will provide students with a platform to enhance their English communication skills, build confidence, and develop public speaking abilities. Participating in drama encourages self-expression, creativity, and emotional intelligence, qualities that will serve our students well in all areas of life. Counseling support for students. At Icon Global School, we understand that a child's emotional and mental well-being is as important as their academic performance. To address this, we are introducing a school counselor, Dr. Vasudha, who will be available to support students with any psychological or emotional challenges they may face. The counselor will ensure that the students have a safe space to talk and receive guidance, further contributing to their overall well-being. Enhanced focus on communication. As part of our ongoing efforts to nurture holistic development, we are introducing debates, speeches, and presentation as part of our curriculum. These activities will not only improve our students' communication skills, but also help them build critical thinking, confidence, and public speaking abilities. Regular science and math workshops with Rajesh Bhatt. We are also pleased to announce a partnership with Rajesh Bhatt, who previously conducted a high successful science workshop here at our school. Rajesh Bhatt will now be conducting regular workshops in science and math, focused on making learning fun and interactive through the facts and fun. These workshops will supplement our academic syllabus, providing students with hands-on learning experience that will deepen their understanding of these crucial subjects. We are excited for the students to engage in these workshops where they will discover the fun side of the science and math while reinforcing their academic foundation. Importance of the school almanac. As part of our continued commitment to transparency and keeping you well informed about your child progress, we will be providing a comprehensive school almanac that will contain important dates, exam schedules, and daily activities. We encourage all parents to review the almanac at least once a week. By doing so, you will up to date with your child's academic and extracurricular progress and be informed of any upcoming events or school activities. At the end of each term, we will provide a detailed individual report for every student. This will cover various aspects of their development, including academic performance, behavior in class, sports participation, and food habits. This holistic report is designed to give you a clear picture of your child's growth, both inside and outside the classroom. Here is a quick recap of the remarkable success of the students in the year 24-25. Ishan of grade 2 secured first place in the sub-junior category at the JCI tournament. Aryanandan of grade 3 secured third place in the sub-junior category at JCI. Abhinandan of grade 6 earned a gold medal at the district level Blitz Open Chess Tournament and became an international rated player in Blitz. Ishan of grade 2 and Devansh grade 5 secured second place in the Ratan Tata Memorial Chess Tournament. Neera of grade 1 was selected for the under 7 Prakasam district selection. K. Manish was selected for the under 7 chess tournament. Jashmit Reddy of grade 1 secured third place in the under 6 category at the state level skating tournament held in Hyderabad. Tanmay, Madhureshwan, Naganihal, Nihal Reddy, Mokshita and Lehia of grade 6 were selected for the under 14 district level SGFI school games rollball skating. M. Aradhya of grade 2 secured third place in the under 7 category at the state level skating tournament in Hyderabad. Nihira of grade 1 gold medal in excellence the International English Olympiad. Prajna of grade 2 won the gold medal of excellence in the International English Olympiad. Vaishnav of grade 3 won the gold medal of excellence in the International English Olympiad. Sivajan of grade 4 secured the gold medal of excellence in the National Science Olympiad. Charan of grade 2 secured the gold medal of excellence in the National Science Olympiad. Daniksha of grade 3 has successfully advanced to level 2 of the National Science Olympiad. Naganiyal from grade 6 has successfully advanced to level 2 of the National Science Olympiad. Lehia from grade 6 has successfully advanced to level 2 of the National Science Olympiad. Tanmay of grade 6 has successfully advanced to level 2 of the National Science Olympiad. Congratulations to all these amazing achievers. You make your school and everyone proud, and your hard work truly shines. Keep up the excellent work, and we can't wait to see what you achieve next. Celebration of important days and competitions. Throughout the year, we focused on celebrating days that promote education, creativity, and academic growth. These celebrations and events provided our students with valuable learning experience and created a sense of community among students, teachers, and parents. Here are some of the significant days we celebrated. Yoga Day. Students participated in the yoga sessions to promote physical fitness and mental well-being, learning the importance of a balanced lifestyle. School election ballot. Students actively participated in the school election process where they cast their votes in a mock election setup. This event helped them to understand the significance of voting, democracy, and the importance of making informed choices. Investor ceremony. Graced by our traffic police SI, this ceremony was celebrated the appointment of new student leaders and inspired a sense of responsibility by taking the oath. Paper Bag Day. On this day, students created and distributed paper bags to local stores to raise awareness about the harmful effects of plastic bags and encourage eco-friendly alternatives. Independence Day. The event was inaugurated by Mrs. V. Gautami, Assistant Sub-Inspector of Police Mahila Station, Ongole, with a guest of honor, Mr. Madhavachari, Field Officer, Department of Youth Services, STEP, Ongole, a patriotic celebration with flag hoisting, speeches, and cultural performances marking the country's freedom and heritage. ISRO Day. Students deliver speeches about the Indian Space Research Organization and recreated the formation of ISRO in the assembly, inspiring the sense of scientific curiosity. Telugu Day. This day was celebrated during the assembly with performances that showcase the beauty of the Telugu language and culture. Teachers Day. A special occasion to appreciate the hard work and dedication to our teachers, fostering respect and admiration for the profession. Grandparents Day. All grandparents were invited to the school where their grandchildren washed their feet and received blessings, strengthening family bonds. First Aid Day, a practical session conducted by Dr. Sridhar Reddy from Asta Ramesh Hospital, where students were taught the basics of first aid, including how to respond to emergencies, reinforcing the importance of safety and preparedness. Hindi Divas. The assembly was celebration of the Hindi language, encouraging students to appreciate its cultural and linguistic importance. Weapon Expo. Students had the opportunity to visit the Weapon Expo organized by the Police Department Ongole, where they learned about the various tools and safety measures used by the law enforcement, promoting awareness about public safety. Field trip to Bapu Museum. Students visited the Bapu Museum, exploring its rich collection of cultural and historical exhibits, which enhance their understanding of the region's history and heritage. World Post Office Day. Students were taken on a field trip to the post office, learning about its services and the role it plays in communication. United Nations Day. Celebrated grandly by students of classes 4, 5, and 6, this event focused on global awareness and the importance of peace, organized by Neelima ma'am. Carnival Day. Students prepared and sold food in stalls to raise funds for an orphanage. This event was a collaborative effort with the parents whose support made it a great success. Children's Day. Students received stickers with their ambitions, which they pasted on their doors, and organic seeds were given to promote environmental awareness. Constitution Day. 4th grade students gave brief speeches about the significance of the Constitution Day, educating their peers about this important milestone. Science Toy Making Workshop. A hands-on workshop where students created simple science toys promoting creativity and an understanding of scientific principles in a fun and engaging way by Mr. Rajesh Bhatt. Sports Day. First day of Sports Day celebration, we kicked off an event in grand style with flag hoisting, Olympic torch relay, balloon flying. A huge honor to have with us Chief Guest Sri K. Nageshwar Rao, Additional Superintendent of Police, Prakasam District. Guest of honor, Kura Bhaskar Rao, Olympic Secretary, Prakasam District. Prize distribution ceremony was done by Chief Guest Mr. Panayam Venu, SAP boxing coach, and Mr. Giridhar Babu, international kabaddi player. Max Day. A Max P-test was conducted to encourage quick thinking and problem solving, sparkling interest in the subject. Post Office Expo. Students participated in a Post Office Expo where they learned about the history of postal services, the importance of communication, stamp collections, and how the post office serves as an essential part of the community. Artificial Intelligence and Robotics Workshop. Students participated in an engaging workshop that introduced them to the world of AI and robotics, nurturing their interest in technology. Republic Day. The flag hoisting ceremony was followed by a cultural program and speeches that highlighted the significance of India's Republic Day. Agriculture skit. Students performed a skit focusing on the importance of agriculture, highlighting sustainable farming practices, crop cultivation, and the role of agriculture in our daily lives. The performance aimed to raise awareness about agricultural issues and celebrate the farmers' contribution to the society, organized by Manora ma'am. World Pulses Day, a day to raise awareness about the importance of pulses in daily life, with students learning about their health benefits and uses. Industrial visit. Students had the opportunity to visit local industries, giving them a first-hand look at how various business operates. They gained practical insights into the process and technologies used in the different sectors, broadening their understanding of the industrial world. PTM. At every PTM, we conducted an expo where students presented their work and interacted with their parents. This gave students a platform to showcase their learning and provided parents with an opportunity to engage in puzzles, riddles, and discussions, sparking curiosity and encouraging a two-way exchange of knowledge and ideas. Parents also came with enthusiasm to discover what the expo had in store, actively participating and showing interest in the students' work. We would like to take this opportunity to express our sincere gratitude to each one of you, our students, teachers, staff, and parents. Your dedication and support have played a crucial role in our success of our school, and we look forward to continuing this journey together. Thank you, our teaching staff, for their hard work and commitment to providing a nurturing and challenging learning environment for our students. To our students, we are immensely proud of all that you have achieved this year, and we are excited to see what you will accomplish in the upcoming years. Lastly, a heartfelt thank you for our parents for believing in Icon Global School and entrusting us with the responsibility of shaping your children's future. We value the strong partnership we have with you, and together we will continue to provide the best educational experience for every Iconian. As we celebrate this special day and reflect on our achievements, we remain focused on the future. The coming year holds immense potential, and with your continued support, we are confident that Icon Global School will continue to flourish, providing our students with the tools and experiences they need to succeed. Thank you once again for being part of this incredible journey. We look forward to another year of growth, learning, and success. Wishing you all a wonderful and prosperous year ahead. Thank you.